I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and I want to show you how you can easily change the brakes on your BMW E46 3 Series. All right, y'all, let's talk about this job a little bit before we get started. So first of all, everything you need is going to be listed in the video description below. I always make sure to do that. So part numbers, links, torque values, tools, everything you need is listed there. In addition, please make sure to click subscribe and the little alarm bell. It makes a huge difference to my channel. Now, obviously brakes are super important. This car definitely needs a full brake refresh. So what we're going to be doing today is the full job. Brake pads, brake rotors, and a full brake fluid flush. And I'm going to show you how to do all of that. Now, brake jobs can be very expensive, and a big chunk of it really is labor. So if this is something that you can do yourself, you're going to save yourself a tremendous amount of money. Now, before we get the car off the ground, make sure you've got a 17mm socket to loosen up all the lug nuts, and I'm going to do all four lug nuts, or all four wheels in the lug nuts before the car leaves the ground. That way you can actually loosen them up. Now, also in addition to that, I'm going to be using my quick jacks to get the car up off the ground. But you can also do this with a jack stand and jack if that's what you have. Now, a couple of things, and I'm always going to say this. If you are using a jack and jack stand, make sure you're on a level, secure surface, but also always use a jack stand. Do not trust your life on a 50-cent part in your jack, okay? Please don't do it.